The installation process is very simple. In general, you need to click the Next button several times. Here, you need to select the Create Configuration option and the database type. PostgreSQL is the default database. It is bundled with the installation package. The *mask character instructs the program to detect and start monitoring all printers on this computer. You may select components to install. You need both components on the central server. The program installs the necessary components if necessary. Then it installs the database engine. Now, you see the main window. You can switch between tabs. They are explained in other tutorials.